Hi guys, my name is Abby, and I decided to do my project this year on the women's basketball team here at Madonna. I chose this team I chose this topic because I play for the team, but also I wanted to go or create something that's more about the players on the team rather than just listing their name, their number, and whatever stats they have, which is what the team is, or what they have right now for um, a website. So this page definitely goes into more about the team as a whole, more about our coaches and more about our players. So that's why I chose it. And this first page is just the home page. It has a few pictures of us. This first picture is on senior night. The second picture is a huddle before a game, getting us all hyped up and ready to play. And then this third picture is from the banquet we had about a month ago. If you can tell from the pictures, we're a very close team. We all genuinely care about each other, not because we have to, but because we want to. We don't have a lot of drama, which I've enjoyed. No fighting, no bickering, just really we're all just best friends. So the next page is about the team and about the university a little bit more. So it's just some fun facts about Madonna and how it's a private Catholic university, when it was established and by who, the mascot, what league and division Madonna participates in for athletics. So we participate in the NAIA, and we are in the WAC conference, with a few local schools around us and a few in Ohio and Indiana. And then I listed all the sports offered by Madonna for women and men. There's quite a few. And then specifically since I play basketball and this project is about basketball, I went into the PAC, which is the new Performing Arts Academic and Athletic Center that Madonna bought a few years ago. It was previously Ladywood High School, and Madonna purchased the campus because Ladywood went out of business, I guess you would say, but Ladywood was a Catholic all-girls high school. But we bought it, we renovated it, new locker rooms, new everything really, new gym, new bleachers, new scoreboards. So this picture right here, at the bottom is the newly renovated gym of the PAC, and the difference between this newly renovated gym compared to the old gym at main campus is a big difference, and it's really, really nice. The next page is one of my favorite pages that I made. So it goes into more detail about our team, who we are, our coaches, the team individually, and just stuff like that. So first I'll start with our coaches. This is a new coaching staff this year. Our previous coach left, and then Coach OB was hired in about May. An interesting fact about our head coach is that she's not only the head coach for the team, but she's also the senior women's administrator, which means she deals with all the eligibility for all the female athletes at Madonna. But she also is a major in the Air Force, so that's something I've never experienced, and I don't think a lot of people have. But for the first few months of our season, she was actually deployed in, I think, Saudi Arabia or Syria. And she didn't get back until like 2 days before our first game in October, which was a big adjustment. But until then, our assistant coaches were coaching us, and they did a great job. So our first assistant is Coach Tim or Coach Webb, and he has a lot of experience coaching women's basketball. He's coached in the WNBA, a few different Division I schools, and he coached at Detroit Country Day. He coached their women's basketball team, and if you know that school, you know they are elite at basketball, and they win state championships almost every year. So he's a great coach, knows a lot about the game, and really couldn't have asked for a better assistant. And then Coach Carrie, this was her first year coaching at the collegiate level, and she did a great job filling in for Coach Obey when she was gone. But yeah, so those are our coaches. Again, those are their first year here at Madonna, and they really did a good job coming into the school and the atmosphere. So the team, here's another picture of us in a huddle before the game, just getting hyped. But so this team was special this year. We only lost one senior and we only gained 2 freshmen. So it was basically the same team for 2 years in a row. And like I said earlier, we're best friends. Like this season was really something special, and we did a lot better this season than we had in the last 5 or 6 years, and we finally made it to the playoffs for the first time in that long as well. So it was a good season for us, and the program is definitely going in the right direction than it had been, and I'm excited to see where it's going from here. Here's just another picture of us before a huddle, and then I made this video of different videos and pictures that we took as outside of basketball. So just silly, goofy pictures, whatnot. So I made that and put that together for the project. And then if you click this link here, it goes to different testimonials or stuff that I asked my teammates to say about what it meant playing at Madonna. And it was really nice reading them, because they all kind of explained how we all feel about how it gave everyone an opportunity to meet these lifelong friends and lifelong sisters. So the next page is about the senior class of 2022, and I made this not just because I'm graduating, but because we had so many seniors this year. We had 9, and so I created a table that listed all of them and where they're from and what they're planning on doing post-graduation, but I also asked the underclassmen to make a video, 30 seconds or so, about what this senior meant to them. Like, for example, Claire, I asked Sophie to make a video for her. So I thought that was really interesting, and I think it created the perfect example of what the seniors were to the team and who we are. And then finally, the upcoming season, like I said, with so many seniors graduating, there's going to be a lot of changes in the program, but I think we set the foundation for the program to go in the right direction from here on out. And while the schedule hasn't been released yet, non-conference games usually start in October, and the conference games will start in the middle of November. And then another secondary page I made was just a little bit more about us and what we did throughout the season. So Megan Aho was named first team all WAC, which is a very good accomplishment. Paige Bowden broke the season block shot record at 146 blocks. She also beat the most block shots in a game, and I think another record, but she's really good at blocking shots. And then we also did a lot of volunteering this season, and this is just one example of us at a food bank during the holiday season. But yeah, so that is my project, and I really enjoyed making it about my team, my best friends, because they mean so much to me, and I hope that I did a good job showing who we are outside of basketball, outside of the numbers and the records and the stats and all that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you.